With respect to RingCentral Video, it, can attendees join from the web, or are they required to download a client similar to Zoom or something like that?
So as I was showing you with the desktop, both operating as an application or as a browser-based application, you absolutely can run and join RingCentral Video strictly from a browser. So no need necessarily, unless you just want to download a piece of software to run that.
So if you're connecting to somebody and they're not a local administrator on their network and on their machine, they should have no problem with joining that session then.
That's correct. Make sure you're using a browser that supports WebRTC, such as Google Chrome or Microsoft Chromium Edge. But also, we're going to be supporting other browsers later on in the year, such as Safari and Firefox.